Sahil, introduce yourself.
Sir, my name is Sahil Chikara. I've done my graduation in political science from Kirodimal College, Delhi University. Thereafter, I'm preparing for competitive exams like civil services and CAPF.
Okay, Sahil, you scored 94 point something in plus two, and
Yes,
based
sir.
on that marks, I think you go to one of the prestigious college of India. Then what happened
Yes,
during
sir.
those 3 years? You scored just below 60%.
So actually, this was my strategic failure. I think I chose political science. So the major part of political science I thought will belong to international relations and Indian political system and constitution. But there it was more of based on theories and political theories and Indian political thoughts. So I couldn't cope with that, and I, that was torturous to me. So I think I couldn't able to score
See, Sahil,
better.
if some student get 90%, I think that has aptitude or ability to understand the things. If there was some problem in first year, you should have accommodated in second year or third year, na?
Yes, sir, definitely, sir. Sir, it was my strategic failure to choose. I think I choose the wrong subject, which was not in sync with my interest. I think.
Okay, okay, no issue, no issue. So anyway, uh, who is the most interesting political thinker in your opinion, whatever you studied?
Interesting.
Yeah.
Sir, it was Machiavelli.
So what you like in Machiavelli, the main thing?
So the realist thought. He
Yeah, any realist thought? Can you tell me?
Sir, he separated religion and ethics from politics. So he clearly made a way to establish Italy as supreme leader in Europe. And actually he was a child of his time.
Okay.
So Italy was in shatters at that time. So he wanted to unify Italy. For that, he need to. So, sir, am I audible?
Yeah, yeah. Continue.
So he wanted to unify Italy. For that, so he need to strengthen the political system of Italy.
Okay, okay,
So
okay. Leave
in
it.
doing so, he needs.
Okay, leave it, leave it, leave it. You are studied in Kid World School. So where it is situated?
Sir, it's in Pitampura, Delhi.
Okay, okay, okay. So you are staying in Delhi for long time. Means from childhood you are staying in Delhi itself, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So you are facing problem of pollution nowadays. What is the solution of reducing the pollution of Delhi? Any
Sorry, sir.
solution from your side which is comprehensive for reducing pollution of Delhi?
Solution. Sir, we have already started taking solution. Like central government has passed an ordinance which aims at setting up a committee which have powers to guide state governments to reduce pollution. And also apart from that, odd even scheme in Delhi, banning crackers and hiking parking fees, banning construction sites, and also
Okay,
smoke tower.
okay, okay. Okay, so you originally belong to Haryana district, Haryana state. Okay,
Yes,
you
sir, my parents still stay there.
okay. So you visit Haryana usually or sometime only.
Sir, I visit frequently, like in a month or two.
Okay. So what is the main issue, main problem of Jajjar district?
Sir, it's low sex ratio,
Yeah.
sun meta preference, female feticide, and the overall situation of women are quite low.
Okay. You play cricket and volleyball. Okay. So yeah, you play cricket and
Yes, sir.
volleyball. Yeah. So are you
Yeah,
tracking?
volleyball.
Yeah. Are you tracking latest technology which is implemented in cricket nowadays? Any latest
Yes,
technology?
sir.
What is the latest technology as per your knowledge in cricket?
Sir, sneakometer.
What is that?
Sir, it detects sliders of the edges which went past the bat, and able to detect was it a nick or not.
Okay. Uh, some you are also doing swimming also. So in swimming, a famous lady who swim English Channel for first time, Indian lady, some time back, Google made doodle for her. Can you name that swimmer?
No, sir, I'm not able to recall. Sir, as swimming as a hobby, I don't follow swimming. Like it was a pastime.
Okay.
Whenever I feel
No, but
stressed,
that
so I used
person,
to swim.
okay, that person is Aarti Saha. You know Aarti Saha? Aarti Saha?
RP Saha.
Yeah. Okay. No issue.
In which field?
Actually, she is swimmer. So she crossed English Channel. So she was the first person, first Indian to cross as a lady cross English Channel, and that's why she got award also Padma Shri Awadi. She was Padma Shri Awadi, and Google made doodle for her this time. That's why she is famous. Recently, she was in news. Okay, no issue.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Kirodimal, some famous Bollywood actor were also a student of Kirodimal sometime. Can you name some famous persons?
Sir, the great legendary Amitabh Bachchan,
Okay.
Satish Kaushik, Divyendu Sharma,
Okay.
and
So
also
can
few
you
of the politicians.
okay? Can you tell me the room number of Amitabh Bachchan where he used to stay because that was in news?
Room number?
Yeah.
Sorry, sir.
Okay.
I don't
Actually,
know about.
sometime it was in news. No issue. So in spite of political science, you also studied economics sometime or not?
Yes, sir.
So what is GDP?
So it's a sum of total value of goods and services produced in a country in a definite period of time.
Sum of goods or services only. Refine some more. Add some more point. You are missing something.
Sir, sum total or exact value of produce of goods and services in a definite period of time. Value of goods and services.
You are. I'm telling you, you are missing something. First thing, it should be monetary value, and it should be final goods and services, and it should be in domestic area. Okay, so you were missing something. So don't worry. Okay, but what is the value of India's GDP at present? Approx value,
Sir, in PP term or general terms?
or nominal term.
Nominal. Sir, it's $2.95 trillion.
Okay. So, Prime Minister Narendra Modi set the target that India will achieve 5 trillion economy by 24-25 financial year. So, do you think
Yes,
it is possible?
sir, for that, we need to achieve a real growth rate of around 10%, 10 to 12%.
Okay, so
It
in
is possible, but it's difficult.
okay. So in during COVID-19, obviously, it is not achievable by that time. But in your opinion,
Yes, sir.
at what time India will achieve? Approx.
5 trillion. Sir, I think it will be around 2030.
Okay. Uh, who was the first finance minister of India? You know?
First finance minister.
Yeah.
Uh, Sir, I can guess. I think, sir, it's John Mathai.
Okay. Yeah. So recently there was a new education policy 2020. That report was submitted to uh, central cabinet and it accepted that. So who is the
Yes, sir.
chairman of that committee?
Sir, it's ISRO chairman, I think, Kastu,
Yeah, you are right. Move ahead.
Ka- K. Kasturi Rangan, I think.
Yeah, that's right. So you read in report something, or just point some point you noted for that report, or not you did not read anything.
Sir, I have some knowledge about the report.
Okay. So tell me any two positive thing about that report. Positive points.
Sir, first is technological intervention in all the levels of education, like primary, secondary, and senior secondary, also at college level. Second is gender inclusion fund.
Okay.
Third is scholarship fund for backward classes students like OBC, SC, STs. Fourth is, sir, achieving the target of 50% enrollment in 2035.
Okay.
And also, sir, special focus
Yeah,
on university.
leave that. Suppose Sahil, for one day, I should make you the district collector of your district Jhajjar. What will be
Yes,
your
sir.
first decision?
Sir, I'll ban Khap Panchayat
Okay.
if I have the
So, what is
authority.
the main demerit you find in Khap Panchayat?
Sorry, sir.
What is the main demerit, in your opinion, is about Khap Panchayat? What problem you are finding in Khap Panchayat?
Sir, they promote social exclusion and discrimination towards women. They tend to promote medieval mentality and also which is against the modernized values of India.
Okay, okay. So, if there is gender gap between male and female, and in Haryana, gender gap is much more. So, any
Yes, sir.
plan, if you have any plan to reduce that gender gap?
Sir, it needed multidimensional. It is a multidimensional task. We need several efforts. Like first is gender sensitization,
Okay.
attitudinal shift, behavioral change. Third is strict implementation of laws. And also, sir, we need to teach boys how to behave. And
Your father is marketing manager. Okay.
yes,
So, what
yes, sir.
important lessons you learned from your father?
So the commitment and punctuality he brings to his work, like whenever they get order or any order of anything, like they need to made flex boards or advertisement board, they complete it in time and execute it properly. So the punctuality and the discipline I've learned is of great help to me.
Okay. So, what is the leadership quality you are having?
Sorry, sir.
What leadership quality you have?
Sir, I'm decisive. I can take decision at the quickest, and also make a plan and vision to complete the task.
Okay.
Also, sir, I often view that I can devolve responsibility to my juniors also if the situation permits. Like if they have capabilities or interest better than me, I can devolve my responsibility or my share of task to them.
You are aware about development of border disputes between India and Nepal.
Yes, sir.
So, in which area? In
Yes,
which
sir.
area? In which area there is problem of dispute?
Sir, it's in western sector near Uttarakhand, the both territory of Limpi Duyar and Sasta and Kalapani.
Okay. So, if India has open border with Nepal, you know, India has open
Yes, sir.
border with Nepal. Then,
Yes,
what
sir.
is the internal security implication of India through that open border?
Sir, it's trafficking, human trafficking, drugs trafficking, and also, sir, terrorists enter through open border. Like Pakistan used to supply terrorists to Nepali territory, and they used to cross
Also,
it
yeah,
from
also
Nepal border.
counterfeit currency and drugs and all things are okay.
Yes, sir.
So,
Drugs, drug
in
trafficking.
your opinion, if there are so many problems, so should we close that border like we have closed border with other countries?
Sorry, sir,
Should
it
we
was not
close?
audible.
Should we close the border or just we make check post some places like we have check post with Pakistan, with Bangladesh? So should we close the open border?
No, sir. So that will be a reactionary step, and it will hamper our relation with Nepal. We have positive relation with Nepal, friendly. They depend on us and so on so many things. That will be a reactionary kind of reaction. So we cannot do that. Instead, we can strengthen our own security networks, intelligence, and border management.
Okay,
That will be our goal.
okay. So are you aware about anti-satellite weapon ASAT?
Yes, sir.
What is that?
Yes, sir. So last year, through Mission Shakti, we have tested our capabilities to destroy missile in lower Earth orbit. So,
Okay.
in case of,
What is the height of low Earth orbit from Earth?
sir, it's around 400 to 800 meter approximately. I'm not exact. No,
Meter or kilometer?
no, so kilometers, sir. Sorry,
Okay,
kilometers.
okay. No issue. So are you aware about Ramjet engine, Ramjet technology engine?
Yes, sir. But I don't know about the specificity.
Okay, anything, whatever you are knowing, just tell me.
Ramjet,
Yeah,
sir. Sir, Ramjet engine is used to deliver satellite.
okay, okay, no issue.
We use it in rockets to deliver satellite to the.
No, no, no. Actually, Ramjet is a special type of engine where it take oxygen from atmosphere. For the time being, it is in atmospheric range. It takes directly oxygen from atmosphere so that you can use more fuel in place of oxygen for time being. You can that will be your heavy load can be lifted through that. Okay, no issue. So in India, nowadays, government is coming out with policy of electric vehicle, e-mobility, you can say, so electric vehicle. So, in which state electric buses are at present running? In India, in which state at
Electric
present
buses.
electric buses?
Sir, I'm not able to recall.
No issue. So, are you aware about the development of Atal Tunnel? Atal Tunnel.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is where is Atal Tunnel is situated?
Yes, sir.
Where it is?
Sir, in Pir Panjal range in
Okay,
Himachal Pradesh, I think.
okay, okay. No issue. So, 2020 is a very challenging year for everyone. Okay, but
Yes.
in that challenge also, many people find at least some opportunity, either in on personal level or on societal level or something. For your life, what positive thing you felt during that COVID-19 challenge?
So I learned to survive any uncertain time. Like I've learned that life is not. I do not have any agreement with life, so life can turn anyway. So I need to focus on what's ahead of me and how can we tackle it. And that's
So in India, you are aware about Naxalism.
yes, sir.
From which place Naxalism started in India?
Sir, it started from West Bengal in Naxalbari district.
Okay. So after starting from Naxalbari, and in Naxalbari area at this time, there are very few Naxal affected regions, but how it shifted to Chhattisgarh and Telangana? What were the conducive environment?
So mainly Naxalism started because of failure of land reforms and forest right acts, like, and there in West Bengal we've seen the government of CPIM, so they were able to provide or implemented land reforms quite well. So there from there the electionism shifted to Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, in the mineral heartland of India, where still there is a problem of underdevelopment and infrastructure deficit.